Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can assign or apply a drop shadow effect to components, elements and shapes on your web design projects on Penpot. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to web design file in the designer on Penpot. Navigate to layers and select the page from your web design project and then navigate to the given shape. Let me just remove that one and insert a new one, a rectangle, for the sake of this tutorial. So let us assign a drop shadow effect to this one. Before we do that though, let us change the fill color from gray to, let's say, purple, so that we may see the color difference with a dark drop shadow effect in the background. So what you want to do, guys, is select this plus button next to shadow, and here on the drop shadow, select either inner or drop shadow, right? I will go with drop shadow. What you want to do next is click into these three dots to customize it. So here into the X axis or Y axis, you may, as you can see, just let me just zoom in, position the drop shadow effect, right? By using your mouse wheel to increase the effect or the visibility of the drop shadow for the X axis, and you can do the same for the Y axis, right? So let us go with 15 units both, so that they align with each other, and it would look like that here. So what you want to do next is click into the color box here, or you may enter the hex color code here, or use that color box from there. So I will go with something like black, remove the transparency so that the drop shadow effect is really intense, but you can also decrease the opacity a little bit and make it look like this. Then guys, next what you want to do is here you can adjust the opacity here again. Here under spread, you may increase the size as well of the shadow, right? By using your mouse wheel. And then here under blur, again you can use your mouse wheel to make it blurry and to make the transition from the drop shadow to the background less visible, more blurry like this, by again using your mouse wheel up and down or by entering the value here. That's how it works. That's how you add a drop shadow effect to a shape on Penpot. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.